Hi guys, welcome to Ree-Veal review where we talk about all things Loungefly. So today I want to do some blind bag surprise box unboxing with you. One of the things that I've spotted bargain wise on Amazon app in the UK is these surprise boxes from Loungefly Funko. So these are Hello Kitty and Friends. There are 6 to collect. At the moment they're retailing on Amazon at £8.89, which is a fantastic deal. So you've got the main characters here, so obviously Hello Kitty, My Melody, Karopi, Pom Pom Purin, Karomi and Cinnamon Roll. Now I'm a huge fan of Sanrio and all of the characters. My favourite is Cinnamon Roll and Pom Pom Purin. I am going to show you on another video my Pom Pom Purin carnival backpack and review that one for you. Show you all the fantastic detail inside and out. So today we're going to unbox these surprise boxes or blind bags. Now these are the first 2 I've bought, but I do intend to collect more. I'm just going to show you the box here. So you've got the characters on the front. It tells you on the back who there is to collect. Age 6+. So these are obviously the keychain charms. So these will either go on your Sanrio or other Loungefly backpacks, or if you're like me, I just like to collect and display them. So let's have a look who we've got today. Okay. Oh, fantastic. So we've got Karopi. So I'll just show you the details on him here. So you've got his happy little face, his little red cheeks, his closed eyes, bow tie. So obviously at the moment he's got the packaging on because I've just unboxed him. You'll also see on here there's the Loungefly logo on the zip. And you've got the little clippable keychain there. And also the Sanrio and Loungefly logo on the little tag on the front. So these are sort of just under palm sized. Okay, so we've unboxed our first keychain charm, Loungefly mini bag. We're going to now look at the next one. So we've got Karopi. I really do hope it's Pom Pom Purin, but I will be happy with any of them. So as you see, they come in little sealed bags. Super easy to open because they've got the little rip compartment. Oh wow! Hello Kitty, so the star of the show. So as per the other one, you've got the classic details, you've got the little bow, you've got the Sanrio and Loungefly logo on the front, little red straps on the back, and I will take the packaging off these later. And again, standard Loungefly logo inside and on the zip. So these also work really well as just using as coin purses. But what I will do is I will actually have probably one of these I'll interchange with my backpacks. And the rest of them, when I collect them, will go on display. Okay. So thanks again guys for joining today. Which one's your favourite? Which one would you like to get out of this collection? I have to admit, Pom Pom Purin is my favourite, but Karopi is absolutely adorable. Absolutely love the detailing on this one. I hope to do some more blind bag surprise box unboxing with you again soon. And I will also be reviewing the rest of my existing Loungefly collection and some new additions that I've just purchased. So please like, please subscribe. Love to hear in the comments about your collections, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.